Hey guys, Taco Hot Sauce 192, and it's currently 3 a.m. and I got my fidget spinner. So I'm actually going to do the 3 a.m. fidget spinner challenge right now. And if you don't know, a ghost is supposed to come and then do something scary. And you have to spin it for 6 seconds 3 times. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Holy crap, dude, my TV just turned off. Dude, my TV just turned off. No way. No way. Dude, that legit scared the fuck out of me. And it just turned on. Well, I'll see you guys later. Peace.